Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
All right, here it is. Bacon, a couple of eggs, slightly beaten. This is a whole grain bread. This is some Havarti cheese, some butter, and some Foster. Hey, today, guess what I'm making? I'm making a killer bacon scramble melt sandwich. That's a mouthful, and it certainly is going to be when I get this done. I'm going to meet you at the stove, put this baby together. I'm hungry. Alrighty, there's the pan. It's medium, a little butter. Alright, get that in. Putting the toast down. Alright, these are 2 slightly beaten eggs. Put those babies down. Alright, let's put a little pepper on there. Okay, let's start mixing it around. Mix it, schmixing it. We're going to mix this up. Bacon's already cooked, you saw it. You're just going to cook these eggs till you get the goo out of them. Right, that's cooking up good. Form that into a nice thing like that. Just grab this bacon. We're going to put the bacon on top like this. Oh, I didn't tell you it was going to be a killer sandwich today. I'm going to take the cheese and put it on top like that. I'm going to cover this and melt this. Just like this. When that cheese is melted, I'll put this sandwich together. Alright, let's take a look. That baby's ready. Look at this thing. This thing's huge. I'm taking this like that, bringing it over here, and putting it on that sandwich. Oh yeah. Now the old flip-a-roobie. Well, the press-a-roo. The slice-a-roo. And here's the old reveal. Oh. Look at that. There's your close-up. The bacon scramble melt sandwich. Look at that thing. Look at it. I'm telling you. Can't wait for a big bite. Here it is. Oh. 2 things are grabbing me. The bacon. So I put 4 slices. Bread. It's a nice multi-grain. I got at Trader Joe's. Let's see if we can get some of that. The cheese and the egg. I'm getting that egginess, cheesiness, nice and creamy. The bacon's taking over like it always does. This is a pretty good sandwich, I tell you. Gotta try it. It's the bacon scramble melt. Oh, it's really good. If you like this video, thumb it up and tell people about Live Life 365 and Mike Foster. And check out my YouTube channel, Live Life 365. Until next time. Peace.
Live life 365.
That's a lot of butter. That's the thing. It's not that hard, guys. That's what she said. Okay, can't say that. Sweet bamboo. That's the bad eye. Look at this. Yeah, that's the good eye. Ah. Now, I already said sweet bamboo. But this sandwich is so good, I'm going to say it again. Maybe add some hot sauce or some ketchup if you want. Uh-oh. I dropped some. Now my wife's going to be mad at me. Got you here. Sorry, Mama.